Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to upload an image for your Discord server. So to upload an image to your Discord server, go over to your Discord server. In this case, I'm going to quik.video Discord server. And then in the Discord server, right click over on the left side, the server, and then go down to server settings and then select overview. In the overview section, make sure you're under overview option and then go over to server overview, and you can either do upload image or change icon. Both will be the same. Select that and then select the image that you would like to upload. I'm going to go ahead and just upload a basic one right here. And that will be my Discord image for my server. So I can go ahead and save changes in the bottom. Make sure you press save changes, otherwise it won't save. And now this is my Discord server's image. So if I escape, you'll see here that the image is there and it no longer just says QV, it actually has the image. And that is how you upload an image for your Discord server. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you all in future quick videos.